Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. But if you're new here, what's up? Again, with the filter, and also I'm sure by the title, you guys already know where this is going. This is another one of my declutter videos. I'm like a mess right now. This is going to be my declutter for, sorry, I have a shirt on, for my blush drawer. Not really much to say. It's another super packed drawer. Let's just get on into it. Alright, so here is the blush drawer. Another drawer that is so super packed, but I probably won't be getting rid of much or maybe really anything because I love my blushes. But I know there's blushes in other drawers too, so that's the struggle. Here is everything that was in the blush drawer, and I looked around in the drawers that I could actually get into. So just to make sure I tried to grab all of the blushes. There's highlighters in here too because the highlighters have just taken over the entire set of drawers. So I'm going to go through first and just take out all of the highlighters. So I'm not going to mention them too much. Taking them out. We haven't done that drawer yet. Wet n Wild highlighters. We're going to take all of these guys out because there's a lot in here. This should actually be with the highlighters because that's too shimmery to be a blush. Oh, this is a highlighter. Wow, right in my face. Okay, so this is going to be another hard drawer that I think for the most part everything is staying. And it doesn't really look like any of these are backups. So, perfect! There's just no room in this drawer. I don't even know where to start. I guess it's going to be the same thing. In case I say otherwise, basically everything is a keep. I don't know where the rest of these are actually, so that'll be fun searching for the rest of these. But these are the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. So this is in Pool Party and Pink Passion. These are from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I've shown these in like a recent haul. But yeah, these are obviously keeps. Duh. Like just about everything that's in the drawer. There should be more colors of that. I just don't know where they are. So that's great. There's even more to add to this drawer. These are the Kat Von D blush duos. They're like the shade and light blush duos. Again, these are from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I have different colors of these. I thought I had more than 3, but I guess not. So we'll move these out of the way. These are keeps, obviously. This is the Shop Miss A AOA Studio Lumi Radiant Blush in the color Rose Dawn. I think that day when I like tested this out was like super glittery. I'm gonna keep it. I just don't know if I want to keep it in this drawer. I feel like it's better as an eyeshadow actually. This is the Sigma Aura Powder Face Powder Cor de Rosa. I guess that's the color, I forget. It's just a really pretty like mauve-y blush. So gorgeous. Love the packaging of this. Obvious keeper. This would go into these Wet n Wild blushes that I love. These were from one of the limited edition collections. This is the Color Icon Baked Blush in the color Hummingbird Height, Dare to Soar, and Don't Flutter Yourself. Obviously, this is my favorite. I actually like the little bit of shimmer as a blush. These I just think are gorgeous. Those, I'm pretty sure I have backups of those somewhere. I didn't see them though. Those were lost in the drawer. Fun times. This one, how many NARS blushes do I have? Just 2? 2 NARS. Are these even blushes though is the question. Miss Liberty and Sin, maybe they are blushes. No, that is not. Is that a blush? This one is definitely a highlighter. I guess this one's a blush. I could be really wrong, but this is a highlighter, so I'm gonna move this to the highlight drawer. One is super old. I think actually my sister gave this one to me forever ago. Like, look how old this is. I'm gonna get rid of this. It's the Mosaic powder. It's just super old, so I just like can't. These are the La Roc Row. This is the Powder Cheek Stain in Ruby Rouge and also in Rosy Glow. These are obvious keeps. These are super pretty. I thought I had a purple one somewhere, but that's lost, I guess, at the moment. These little Wet n Wild. These are the cheek and lip tint sticks from the limited edition collection. I actually really like these as lip products. I think I'm going to take these out of the drawer. They just take up space. Let's just move them out. Same with these because they're like the same thing. This was from another collection too. I like them better as lip products. These are the multi-sticks, so you can use them basically anywhere too. This is a blush stick. These are great, you know, when you want dewy looking skin if you do want to use it as blush also. So do I want to keep it in here? If they could, maybe I just need a different organizer for them. I guess I can keep them in there. Like I said, they're nice for days when you don't really wear foundation, but you want like color to your cheeks or whatever. I think they're nice. I like them. This is a definite keeper. This is another Kevin Aquan product. You guys know I love. This is the Pure Powder Glow in the color Chador, which is a soft pink. You get, oh, I thought you got like a whole thing of product in here. There's just the blush. Love it. Bare Minerals Ready Blush in the color Close Call. I think this was also something someone gave me. This looks super old. I feel feel like my mom gave me this. I'm gonna have to get rid of this. I don't even know. I don't even know who this would look good on, honestly. This is the ColorPop Super Shock Cheek in the color Fun with Friends. This was the Hello Kitty set. I love it. This is something, again, because it is like that kind of moussey cream texture. It's another good thing for when you don't have foundation on or you don't have a lot of makeup but you want like a dewy look. These e.l.f. palettes right here are kind of driving me insane to look at. So we're gonna look at all these e.l.f. palettes. These I feel like are definitely older. This is the blush palette in the color Light. I actually really like these. I think they're really nice. So these are gonna be keeps. These are also great to travel with. I would rather travel with more affordable brands just in case something does happen to them. And these also you can like take out some kind of way. I think. Maybe not. I thought you could take these out and change them around and make your perfect palette, but this is a key. I think that's what all of these are, is blush palettes. Yeah. This one's in dark. Super pretty. What is this one? Cream blush palette. Another nice thing for when you don't have a lot of makeup on. I think that's what this one is too, is a cream blush. Yeah, so 2 cream blush palettes. But as you can see, I never used them. I've never even used them once. I like that they're cream, but I have those like stick things. And I don't think I'm gonna use that as a cream color. Yeah, like this one's maybe a little too dark for me. I think these I'm gonna have to try to give to a friend and see if she wants them, because clearly I don't need them because I never used them even one time. This right here is the Total Face palette. I think this was a collaboration with a YouTuber, honestly. This is like supposed to be contour, blush, and highlight all in one palette. But if you can see from my skin tone, it is super duper light. So again, this is gonna go to a friend. Nothing wrong with it, it's just too light for my skin tone. So that's why I never use it. Got 2 of these NYX ombre blushes. I actually really love these ombre blushes. Oh, see, I love purple blush. I've said it before, I love purple blushes. And this is that illuminator that I said is actually, you know, it's supposed to be a highlight, but it's pretty dark still. It's so soft, I just can't stop touching it. I need to stop though. But yeah, this is gonna be a keep. So I'm gonna pour this out. These little containers you can just get from like the office sections, but I think I got these from Bed Bath & Beyond. These are just the Wet n Wild Color Icon blushes. I love these, super affordable. You guys know Wet n Wild. I have the color Rosé Champagne, Apricot in the middle, and another Rosé Champagne. So I guess, whoa, but they look so different. New formula, but it says that on both. Oh, whoa. They look so different. This one looks more red and this one looks more orange, like peachy color. That's really weird, but they're the same color. Okay, so we're gonna keep all these in here. I thought it was gonna be a backup. It's definitely not, and this is trash. This is a Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Blush. This one is another one that's actually like pretty shimmery. It's kind of nice. Sometimes it's like a little bit of a blush topper if you go really light-handed. I love Makeup Revolution. Just one of these little tarts. I think this is a sample of the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. It's in the color Party. I haven't even tried it yet though. So we'll just move that guy over. Have one of the Becca Cosmetics Luminous Blush in the color Snapdragon. I'm pretty sure I have another blush somewhere in a different drawer from Becca. I don't know where it is though. Let's see, we've got some more Lorac blushes, and we'll grab this one too. This one is super pretty. Another kind of like blush topper because it's like kind of shimmery but super gorgeous. This is the Lorac Baked Matte Satin Blush in the color Flaunt. Obvious keeper. We'll just move him over. These look like they come from the same collection, so we'll look at this one. These are super pretty. I love the packaging. You guys already know I love Lorac. This looks like a highlighter though. Is that what it is? It definitely is, I'm pretty sure. It just says Spotlight. It doesn't say like what the product is, so I'm just gonna move this out of here because it's a highlighter. This is a blush. This is in the color Aura. Ooh, you guys know I love my purple blushes. Another Lorac blush. It's the Buildable Blush Matte Blush in Ultraviolet. Super gorgeous. Love my purple blushes. From like the little pastel little collection. I'm pretty sure these are supposed to be highlighters. Yeah. Light Source Illuminating Highlighter. This one's the highlighter in the color Limelight. It's kind of weird since it is like a blue-green color. It's different. I think it's going to be best as an eyeshadow. This should be in the highlighter drawer. Anyways, so we'll just move that out. This one though is the Color Source Buildable Blush in the color Luma, and it's a satin, so it's kind of shimmery. Very pretty. And then I think this is the same thing. Color Source Buildable Blush, Satin, and Panorama. Super gorgeous. Oh, I missed this Wet n Wild one. This is the Color Icon Shade Shifting Blush in the color Zombie Blush. This was something that came out with the Halloween thing. It's supposed to be like color changing. It's kind of weird. Whoa, it's really dark though. This looks like it should be an eyeshadow. Definitely not a highlighter. Maybe a highlighter for like darker skin tones, but this should be an eyeshadow. This is a keep. These 2 palettes right here, love my ColorPop stuff. I'm just getting this so dirty. That is awesome. These are just 2 blush palettes, so obvious keep. dupes. Love these. I need to get more ColorPop blushes. But so I got the peach collection, and from the pink collection, this is just so pretty. But basically you get like a blush and a highlight to match it. And this guy was something that I had gotten from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. It's obviously by Perfusion. It is the 5-color blush, and they're just all stacked. I think this is so weird and cool. That one was supposed to have the little poof in there. But again, I do like their products. You get a ton of different colors in here. I like to use this a lot when I do get ready with me's. I think I'm going to take this out of the drawer. It just takes up so much space, and just use it as decor, because I could probably like sit something small on top of it and it'll be kind of weird. Cool. It's a keep. It's just not going to stay in the drawer. We've got a ton of Milani blushes, and there's actually some in this little organizer also. Grab these out. All these are keeps. These ones are the powder blushes. All-time favorite blushes, and they're affordable. They're Milani. You can get them from the drugstore. I do usually get them when they're buy one 50% off. We'll just move all of these. This one's in the color Romantic Rose. This one is in the color Blossom Time Rose. This is like a newer color for like the drugstores. And they have so many more colors on their website. This one's in Coral Cove. Super gorgeous. And this one is in Tea Rose. This one is a little bit different product. This one is the Color Harmony blush palette in Coral Beams. It's the number 3. You get a couple different colors mixed in there, and you just kind of use them separate or all mixed together. And this one is kind of like a really pretty like highlighter shade. Kind of cute. These again, all-time favorite, because duh, they're Milani blushes, like kind of same deal. It's just a lot of these are a lot more shimmery in here. They're all the baked blushes. This one is in the color Red Vino. I use this one so much. It's super pretty. This one is in Carolina. They have like an orangey red, like a peachy color. What color is this? In Luminoso. Very pretty. Is Dolce Pink. Another pink color in Delicioso Pink. Ooh, Delicioso. This one is in Berry Amore. And then in this guy. Oh my goodness. These are all cubes. I'm just gonna kind of leave them in here, but I'll show you guys what they are, obviously. I have all these Urban Decay blushes that I had gotten. They were on sale at Ulta. Afterglow 8-hour powder blush. This one's in Bittersweet. You guys know I love my purple blushes. I just got one of each color because they were like 50% off, which was an amazing price. And I know you can find these at TJ Maxx and Marshalls now. They're starting to pop up. This one's in the color Rapture. This one's in the color Quiver. Oh, so gorgeous. Bright red. This one is in Crush. A really pretty pink. Bang, a gorgeous bright orangey red. This one is in the color Obsessed. It's a really pretty like shimmery purpley pink, like a lavender pink. This one's in Kinky. It's kind of like a nudish shimmer color, almost like a peachy nude. And a really nice bright peach. It's in Indecent. Oh, I thought it was gonna be brighter because of the sticker, but it's more of like a nudie peach. Peachy nude. So I'm just gonna put these back. I usually like to have these like in order, like color order, kind of like an ombre. In here you can see all these hearts. I have the Too Faced heart blushes also. They call these the Love Flush blushes. I know these I got from Ulta one year when they were 50% off also, which is why I got every color. These you can also find at TJ Maxx and Marshall sometimes now too. I know they're popping up. This is in the color I Will Always Love You. Super pretty. It's more of like a neutral color. This one is in Baby Love, which is like a mauve color. Gorgeous. And if you can kind of see, there's like a print in them. There's like little bunnies on it. This one is in How Deep Is Your Love. I use this one a lot, as you can see, kind of. Oh, camera, sorry. This one is in Love Hangover. This one is Justify My Love. It's really pretty, like muted pink. And this one is Your Love Is King. This is the darkest one, but I love it. Lastly, in this organizer, I have some Makeup Revolution stuff. These ones first are the highlighters. They just fit best in this drawer, and it looks just so good sitting there all together. It's like so aesthetically pleasing in that drawer, which is why I keep them in the drawer with it, because they all have the same boxes. So these are the triple baked highlighters. They're supposed to look like the Too Faced one. You know, they're supposed to be dupes. That one's in the color Golden Goddess. It's just a bright like yellow gold. This one is in Goddess of Love. So it's kind of like got a pinky shift to it. And this is the Goddess of Faith. So it's like a champagne color. Gorgeous. Love Makeup Revolution highlighters, you guys. I can't say enough. These are the actual blushes. So these are the triple baked blushers. This one is Candy Queen of Hearts. And again, it's supposed to be like a dupe of the Too Faced ones though. So there's like 3 shades in there. Love. This one is in Peachy Keen Heart, which is weird because it's pretty dark color to be peachy. And this one is Peachy Pink Kisses. So gorgeous, but these are pretty shimmery, so these are more definite like blush toppers or like kind of highlighters, honestly. More than are pretty shimmery though, these are supposed to be their triple baked bronzers. This is Hot Summer of Love, this gorgeous color that looks better, honestly, on me at least, as an eyeshadow, but it's so pretty. And this one is Summer of Love. So there's Hot Summer of Love and just Summer of Love, which is just one plain color. That's it. That's in this drawer. So much. Alright, so here is the drawer with everything back in it. I don't really like how it's set up right now, so I don't know how long it's going to stay like this. I feel like I need different containers to organize in here, but for now, it just looks so much better. I can like breathe when I open this drawer. So that is it for this declutter video with all of my blushes. I just dropped my computer. If you guys enjoyed it, if you guys did, please make sure you're giving it a thumbs up so that I know you guys enjoy it. And also, if you guys are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the little bell so that you're notified every time I post the videos, you know. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products that I showed, because you guys know I love hearing from you, but awkward. Muchísimas gracias. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. We have a few more drawers left. Bye, guys.